Racing just started. There was still rider of Okoboy, M.A. Alvarez, left unseated. We have tailwind by our length and a half. Right behind in second is Bumblebee, Zodowar, Creation, Best Kept Secret, getting better. Gray Angel, Lakay. Then next on line is Tiger Wood, while Bohemian Dave is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have tailwind by about 3 lengths. Best Kept Secret in second, getting better. Is racing in third. Gray Angel Zordawar is racing in fifth at this moment. Creation comes next. Lakay is down on the inside. Bumblebee, Tiger Wood, while Bohemian Dave is still racing in last. And at the fourth turn, we have two entries. Body out for the lead. Best Kept Secret, tailwind. Then here comes Zordawar. Now moving up on the outside, getting better. Creation, Lakay comes next. Bumblebee. Then next on line is Gray Angel, Tiger Wood, and Bohemian Dave. And as they swing for home, we have Best Kept Secret. Zordawar is on the outside. Lakay is down on the inside. With about 100 meters of the race, Best Kept Secret. Zordawar is on the outside, moves up, and finally Zordawar. Best Kept Secret. Then comes Lakay, getting better. Creation and Tiger Wood.